ulit na from work. Namahaw na ta. Nampit ko. Akong soup and isbulad with lemon and kamuting kahoy. Suka with sili and kape. Let's eat.
Do you even have your license? Did you just steal this? Did we just steal this?
Okay, get out. Hear me? Get out.
You were the one who pushed me into your truck.
Give me my truck back.
Who are you talking to?
That.
Whoa. Whoa, is that a snake? Sir, what is that?
Take a look. Let's see.
Look.
Won't hurt you.
Naibigan mo.
Oh my gosh! What is that? Trip!
Fine, just keep the truck. You said you live close, right? Let's go.
I mean,
Making
seriously,
bulad,
Trip,
oh.
what? It's, moving the truck.
Hindi siya parat.
Okay.
Lamig sa kaya ang kamuting
My
kahoy
dad
na
really wasn't
gipunuan.
here, so...
Sinatay sa kong ante. Sa kong iagaw.
Think you mind if I borrow some of the stuff? Pay it back.
I don't even notice. But for what?
So I can pry a creature here out of my truck.
Good luck with that. Yeah, my curfew isn't late.
Para tipid sa ugas, kauna ng kamuting kahoy.
Thank you for the incredibly weird night. Please don't let it near my horse. Okay.
Hey, sit still, would you? Right.
Nides! Nides! Mukhaon kag kamuting kahoy?
Ha?
Mukhaon kag kamuti dalang kahoy?
Kamuting kahoy?
Ah? Kuhaan niya, Di ko kahurot, anak.
Now, it's not just this one pocket that's blocking our oil. It is a massive, interconnected ecosystem, untouched for millions of years. I mean, it's basically a certainty that there are more of those things down there. Prehistoric amphibians that can breathe water or air living in a network of underground lakes and caves. It's like the Loch Ness Monster isn't a myth after all.
Can we access it?
Well, there's a crater lake on the surface, and yeah, the vents that feed the lake lead directly down there.
Could we get a witness?
Ano ito ng ulo?
Well,
Sayang.
it was a pretty rough drive in my Jeep. There is a good dirt road after the strip mine, but after that, it's all off-road.
Good job. What about our POWs?
That third one is alive out there somewhere.
Stop. Stop. Give me some space.
Morning.
Morning.
So, instead of getting him out of there, you built more stuff to keep him in.
This thing is kind of awesome. Like, strong, smart, really smart. You can learn anything fast. Oh, and I gave him a name. Isn't that right, Creech?
You didn't know Preach?
It's got these hair-like things on its tentacles. Cilia, right? They can generate a massive amount of torque. Especially once I score the axles and give them more surface area grip. And that's on each tire. So imagine the angular velocity, but it's not all spread out from one differential.
You're not done.
What?
Nothing.
So, I press the gas, throttle wire, pulls these levers which open these blinders. Right? Right?
It's like the truck's a wheelchair for it.
No, it's like it is an engine for my truck. What? You see that?
You see, it's not so hard.
Patapos na ko, guys.
But this thing is important, right? Shouldn't we tell somebody?
Think he'd be better off with somebody poking at him, trying to figure out what he is?
First of all, how do you know that it's a he? And secondly, as youth for animal rights activists, I feel responsible for the well-being of that animal.
He's fine. He's happy. Hey,
Ayan.
I'm
I'm
just
done.
saying, he came from somewhere. He has a home. Don't you think he
Kape na
wants to go
lang.
back there?
sure, but he's safe in here in the meantime. Besides, he's having fun. He's like a kid with his first
Manatag
tricycle.
pamahaw, guys.